Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? Say hello to Layla. Sit. You'll learn it one day. So I'm currently boosting this little four-door right here. He wanted to do a little turbo setup, some eBay. He has a little like STR or something like that. So it's pretty much like his fuck around car. So he didn't want to do anything too crazy, see if he likes it and stuff like that. Currently on my car, I have a little leak on the drain, on the lower fitting on the oil pan went bad. That shit bugs me. So I need to grab a new one, make a new return line, or at least that part of the fitting, the bottom. It's been doing pretty good, at least on rolls and shit, because the only way it gets traction. Not too much of a fan of it, but you know, it works. Here's a little update on the car. Everything's all ready to go. He will be going to my buddy for some fabrication to get this all mounted up to his bumper support, which I have. It's not on right now, but here's the plumbing for the drain. Change the cam seal, valve cover seal, these motherfuckers inside. We just need oil and cold spark plugs and we're ready to tune. Hell yeah. Alright guys, for startup, I already pre-turned the motor to get some oil into the turbo. And this should be the first startup. Alright guys, first startup, here we go. Bear with me, it's fucking hot as fuck. I was sweating, letting the car warm up real quick, see if it has any oil leaks or anything like that. Hoffman will be tuning the car, it goes by Compton Roth as well. The car will be on 85, I'll switch to 85, and we'll be replacing the injectors right there on the spot. And we'll see what kind of car she makes, you know? Alright guys, so to not make this video so short, I'm gonna go ahead and include a video from the boba meet that I went to the other day. cut a roll, you know, pretty much cruised it there. I spent all day cleaning the car, so I said, fuck it, why not? And then there's another clip of an Integra race recently doing rolls. I've been doing roll racing lately because my car doesn't get traction and I got no slicks. So fuck it, you know. And I'm gonna be going to Boba Meat here in West Covina soon. I got the car washed up. I've been working on it lately. I had an oil leak that was pretty bad on the oil pan. It was a nice, good little crack. Fixed my boost cut leak. One of my lines was backing out from my wastegate, so I put 2 motherfucking zip ties on that bitch. Hopefully that shit holds on. If not, I'm gonna put a clamp down or some shit. I don't know. I used prep one time on a vacuum line on my boost gauge. That kind of helped out. But yeah, so I'm gonna be here attending the Boba Meat. Let's see if we can get some rolls in with some cars or something along the way. V8s. Ooh, talking about a V8 right here, one right now.